Buying one type of insurance is already complicated, but when it comes to shopping for car insurance and homeowners insurance, it's easy to feel overwhelmed. But bundling car and home insurance with Jerry is simple. It only takes a few minutes and it can save you an average of 10% on your premiums. So let's get into it. Jerry's got your back. To start your car and home bundle, download the Jerry app from the Apple App Store or the Google Play Store. Follow the prompts to set up your account and you'll get an offer to bundle your car and home insurance. Tap "Yes, I'm interested" and Jerry will automatically search for car and home bundles that fit your profile. To make sure your quotes are as accurate as possible, Jerry will need to collect certain basic information like your car's make and model and your home's estimated replacement cost and square footage. So be sure to have that information on hand when you start shopping. Once all of your information is in, you'll be able to review bundle quotes for home and car insurance in the app. You can compare different coverage levels, read customer reviews for the companies that offered you the quotes, and find the best pricing options for your budget. If you find a bundle that meets your needs, click confirm your rate to lock in that price and don't delay. All insurance quotes are time sensitive, so waiting to buy could cause your rate to go up. Be ready to provide information about the education and occupation for all of the people on the policy, plus the status of any existing loans and information for your lien holder if necessary. Once all of your information is in, you can start your policies right in the Jerry app by making your first payment. Shopping for home and car insurance with Jerry takes the headaches out of comparison and puts everything you need right in one place. For more tips on how to save on car and home insurance, like, subscribe, and follow our channel, click the link in the description to get started.
Jerry, the all-car app that's got your back. Because we car.